Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account in a couple of simple steps. So let's start. First of all, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the top of your screen. Go to settings and open account. At the end of the list, you can see delete account option. Tap on it. As you open it, you need to enter the phone number that you used to create the account. After entering your phone number, tap on delete account. Then in the next screen, it may ask you the reason for deleting your account. Simply choose any option and finally tap on delete my account. In this way, your account will be deleted. Thank you for watching the video.